This reading, we have already done this, which section contains the following information. And now I will be starting this question. Complete the sentences below, choose one word only. Along with that, this also I will also solve again. So let's start with this first type of second type of question. We have to complete the sentences below. They have been given here sentences, and we have to choose answer only one word, not two. And we have to even avoid a also, the also, of also, in also. Nothing we should not involve, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So one word means one word. This is one word. Single word we have to just give answer for that. Okay, let's start. As you know, the reading is Adventures in Mathematics. That was also part of 7th November IELTS exam that had happened in India, and in my neighboring country some other reading was there. So you can always text me if you are watching it from my neighboring country. So let's start this question. So of course, same formula, we will be doing it. We will read one by one question, not all options we will not read, otherwise we will get confused. Okay, so some areas of both music and mathematics. So music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is A. So this is, just imagine that this is a blank. Who is A? So it means they are talking about any person, and who is a is also given, means article is given. So not necessary that there you will get a only, you can get the also, an also. So but it is sure that wherever the person name or anything will be there, some article will be there. And of course, with the help of this music and mathematics, we can get the location, and then we will read about this person. And first type of question we have done, that is complete the sentences. Sorry, which section contains the following information. So we already know the locations, we already have gone through the full passage. Then or if you don't have idea, then start reading from the first passage, you will get the locations. So before starting, I request you to do practice with me. I will be showing you full paragraph along with the questions also. So we are looking for music and mathematics. So first music I can see here, and mathematics also. So some areas of both music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is a, okay, occasionally in some difficult musical compositions, there are beautiful but easy parts, so simple a beginner, see this, beginner again person could play them. Okay, so here both the things we have got in a sentence. There are beautiful but easy parts, so simple a beginner could play. Some areas of both music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is a beginner. We can just write here beginner. Whatever the spelling is given, please do write the same. So how I have selected, because both the things they are talking in one sentence, and they are saying could play. Here they are saying it is suitable for someone who is a beginner, so that's why beginner will come. So next question is, it is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics using no more than a limited knowledge of something. Okay, so wherever we have got the location of first question, so after that we will try to find the location of second question. So I can see advanced word here, advanced mathematics. So there are some discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even on algebra, geometry or trigonometry. Instead, they may involve at least a little arithmetic, such as the sum of two odd numbers. Okay, what we are looking for, just a minute. So this is the question. It is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics using no more than a limited knowledge of something. Okay, there are some discoveries in advanced mathematics, got it. They do not depend on specialized knowledge. Okay, not even knowledge word is here, not even on algebra. So we are looking for limited also. Not even where it is algebra, geometric. So next sentence we can read, instead they may involve at most a little means limited, a little knowledge they were talking here, a little arithmetic, little knowledge of arithmetic we can write. It is not necessary that you will get the same location in same sentence. It may possible that this one sentence they may have expanded into two sentences. So let's go to 11th number question. The writer intends to show that mathematics requires thinking, analytical skill. Okay. So we will be looking for analytical thinking, and writer intends to show. Okay, writer also. Thinking word I can see over here, because same paragraph we are doing. Thinking in each chapter uses at most. We have left this location here, and we can, let's find the word spell first. Anyone can understand reasoning in the thinking in each chapter uses elementary arithmetic, and sometimes not even that. Thus all readers will have the chance to participate in mathematical experience. Mathematics requires thinking. Okay. To appreciate the beauty of mathematics and to become familiar with its logical yet intuitive and style of thinking. Thinking word is here, logical is analytical skills, and what we need to write, intuitive. Okay, because all three words we have got here. The writer intends to show that mathematics requires. So here he is saying, writer is saying, all readers will have chance to participate in mathematical experience. Okay, to appreciate the beauty of mathematics, to become familiar means it requires with its logical and thinking as well as intuitive. So that's why we have written intuitive. Now 12th question, some written books. Okay, some books written by, so this is blank, here blank, have had to leave out the mathematics, that is to their central theories. So theories word we have to look, and books written by someone. Okay, so theories, let's find this theories word first, then we can get the location. This a paragraph is done, and we are looking for theories. Some written books also. Theories is not there. You can see this paragraph, no theories word is here. Because already we have done first type of question. I will show it to you. Here in this also theory word is not there. Now here I have already done circle with that. Written books is also there. When we were reading, when we were solving which section contains the following information, we were reading the paragraph, then we have done this. And here also written books. Okay, let's read what they are saying. Other scientists have written some books written by we can write scientists have written, because here they are saying, see this paraphrasing they have done, other scientists have written books, some books written by scientists. We have to write only one word, not two. Have had to leave out mathematics in, that is central to their theories. Theory word is here, to explain their fields to non-scientists, but have necessarily had to omit the mathematics, although it provides foundation of their theories. It means what will come? Scientist word will come here. Okay, now next, uh, 13. The writer advises non-mathematical readers, okay, non-mathematical readers to perform, this is blank, while reading. Okay, so non-mathematical reader, let's find non-mathematical. Non-scientist is there. Okay, nothing. Non-mathematical is in next paragraph. See this. So still non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. Okay, let's find what they are saying. The writer advises non-mathematical readers to perform dash while reading. Still, the non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. This book presents a detail that illustrates mathematical style of thinking. Okay, so so this is the location. Find the answer, pause the screen only in first sentence. Okay, uh, advises non-mathematical readers to perform dash what while reading. To perform, go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. So we can just write here, perform reasoning. Means to do, to solve, try to solve, reasoning. Non-mathematical reader. Next is, a lawyer found that studying, this is blank, a lawyer found that studying dash helped even more than other areas of mathematics in the study of law. Okay, so a lawyer kind of thing, it was in last paragraph, we know it. I will show you last paragraph. So this is 14 question. We are looking for lawyer. Lawyer word we can see in this last paragraph. This is remaining part of this last made the point, although I had no background in law, not even a political science course, I did well at one of the best law schools. I attribute much of my success there. Attribute here means giving credit much of my success there to having learned through the study of mathematics, and in particular theorems, how to analyze complicated principles. So lawyer found that studying, they are saying areas also, mathematics also, but particularly theorems helped even more than other areas of mathematics in the study of. So we can just write here theorems. So we have solved this one also, and this question we will be doing it. Already I have done it. I will show you the video.